Just got a new laptop and don't know where to start with the setup? Well, fear not, because today we're going to dive into a foolproof, step-by-step guide to setting up a brand new laptop. First things first, it's essential to start with a thorough physical check. Ensure the laptop is in perfect condition, free of any physical damage or defects. Confirm that all the necessary accessories are included in the package. Next, power on the laptop. You'll likely be greeted with a setup screen. This is where you'll choose the language and region. Now, this might seem like a no-brainer, but it's worth mentioning. Always choose accurately, as it affects the keyboard layout and other regional settings. Now on to the fun part, setting up a user account. This is where you'll be spending most of your time, so make it something you'll remember. A strong password is essential for security, but don't make it so complicated that you can't remember it. At this point, your laptop will probably want to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Go ahead and input your network details. But remember, always connect to a secure network, especially during the initial setup, when you're most vulnerable to cyber threats. Once you're online, the laptop will begin to install any necessary updates. This can take a while, so now might be a good time to grab a cup of coffee. After the updates, it's time to dive into the world of software. Installing an antivirus program should be your first priority. Cybersecurity is not something to take lightly. Next, let's focus on optimizing performance. Uninstall any pre-loaded software that you don't need. These programs often take up unnecessary space and can slow down your laptop. Finally, customize your settings. Adjust your display, set up your preferred browser, and organize your desktop. Make your laptop truly yours. To summarize, start by checking your laptop physically and making sure everything's in order, then power it on and go through the initial setup, choosing your language, region, and user account. Connect to a secure Wi-Fi network and let the laptop install updates. Prioritize cybersecurity by installing an antivirus program, then optimize performance by uninstalling unnecessary software. Finally, customize your settings to suit your preferences. Remember, a well-set-up laptop is not just about convenience, it's also about security and performance, so take the time to do it right. Congratulations on your new laptop, and happy computing!